Welcome to our step-by-step guide. Today we're going to show you how your sales reps can quickly place a sales order from their phone or tablet using a sales app. The app will then automatically send the orders to MYOB. Using a sales app like this allows your reps to capture orders out in the field from anywhere at any time, using all the latest product and pricing information from MYOB. And the best part? The orders go straight into MYOB for your warehouse team and finance team to quickly process and issue an invoice. No more paperwork or manually typing up invoices. Let's show you how it's all done. Let's get started by logging into the app with a login that's unique to each sales rep. Now that your sales rep is logged in, they will go ahead and tap on Customers at the top of the screen. Then select the customer they are creating the sales order for and tap Select Customer. The customer name will now appear at the bottom of the screen. Next, they will head to the product catalog by pressing on the back button followed by the Products tab. From here, they will navigate through the categories and subcategories to find the products that are needed to add to the order. To add products to the order, sales reps will tap on the plus button next to the item they want. This will populate the cart with the selected products. Once they've added all the items needed, they will tap on the cart icon in the bottom right. Here, they can view the draft order. When it comes to finalizing and creating an order, they have options. If they're in a hurry and want to keep it quick, sales reps can simply tap on Create Order. It's as easy as that. Or, if they want to edit more details for the order, they will tap Next at the bottom of the screen to access additional options. Here they can edit details such as payments method, delivery details, customer contact, sales rep details, and even capture a customer signature. Once they're happy with all the changes, they can tap on Create Order. Sales reps can view the orders created for the selected customer in the app under the tab Orders. They can also click on an order to view its full details. The sales order will also be sent to you and appear in your inbox. Upon opening the email, you will be able to view the order as a PDF. We will also send a copy of the PDF to your warehouse and optionally to the customer as well. Once the rep has created the order in the app, the orders automatically sync to MYOB. You can view the sync status of your orders in the web console, where you will navigate to the Orders tab in the left side panel. This is where you can get a global view of all the recent orders from all your sales reps and for all your customers. Here we can see that the order we just created is currently marked as pending. Once it has fully synced to MYOB, the status will change. Let's move over to the MYOB Desktop app to make sure our orders are there. Once in the app, from the command center, click on the sales icon in the menu, then click on Sales Register and then the Orders tab. You'll find all the sales made in the app now fully imported and present in MYOB without any extra manual data entry. If your MYOB company file is online and you access that file using your web browser, once on the dashboard, you can find the order by navigating to the menu on the left and clicking on Sales, then Sales Orders. Here you will see all the orders as well. Regardless of how you prefer to view your sales orders in MYOB, you'll find all the details that the sales reps filled out in the app, the products, their prices, and any discounts applied. And that's it. You can now process this order and generate an invoice for it in MYOB, just as you normally would, without the need for re-inputting the order data as you used to do. Order details are entered just once by the rep when they create the sales order, saving you and your team valuable time. We hope this video helps you see how your business can run smoother by connecting your accounting and inventory system with the sales app. By cutting down on the paperwork and not having to type in orders twice, you're not just saving time, but also getting orders processed faster and with fewer mistakes. If you'd like to try out this process, check out the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial.